Hey everyone, John here. I'm a salesman over at Byrider in Green Bay, and I want to take a minute and tell you about why it's important to get your oil changed regularly. So, take a step back. We're in your kitchen cooking dinner. You're frying something up in a pan, and you go to put it on a plate, and it's stuck. There's a bunch of gunk on the bottom of the pan that ever happened to you, and you have to sit there and scrub at it to get it off the pan. You can't help but think, I should have used some oil. Well, your engine works a little bit similar to that. Your engine gets really hot when it runs, like really hot. And it has a bunch of moving parts in it. Pistons, valves, all kinds of stuff. So what oil does is it keeps that engine lubricated. It keeps those things from sticking together. So it's super important to get your oil changed. Also what it does is it gets all the sludge and crud out of the system. So that's why when you change your oil, it's always darker than it is when it goes in. So if you're looking to get in a vehicle and get really inexpensive oil changes here at Byrider, we offer them for $19.99. We'd love to help you out and get you driving. Give us a call at 920-455-7788 or stop in and visit us at location 2805 Ramada Way, Green Bay, Wisconsin. Hope you have a really great day, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.